Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to rally. It's currently trying to fill out here this fifth wave. We talk about a target in this video. It seems very much as if, we're putting currently this fifth wave in. After that, we just need to see, is this the third wave? Yeah, because, depending on where we actually start counting here, all those structures, I mean, this can take us high, right? Very high, if it works out. I mean, certainly the 30k level is the next key resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if we test it. Yeah, it's just a psychological mark, very important one. We are now at a point where we do have 5 waves up. And I did highlight to you in the previous video that as long as we're holding 28,000, no, I didn't highlight that in the previous video. That was just posted on Telegram and Discord, because I think in the previous video, we hadn't even completed the third wave. I did give you in the previous video a target. I think we were somewhere here. I gave you a target for the third wave. And I think it was somewhere around 29,350. That would have been the ideal one. Well, it reached 29,325. Yeah, pretty much here on Coinbase. So came very, very close. Then I highlighted on Telegram, Discord, on the Signals channel that as long as we're holding 28,736, the focus can be on higher, and that we're probably doing here fourth wave, which we did. The fourth wave should normally be very shallow, which it was. And I think now we're putting in this fifth wave. What I don't know at this stage is, if you zoom out a little bit, and we had here our 1-2 setup, is this here already the third wave? Well, it probably is, but is it the blue count? Is that the first wave of the third, or is it the third? That's what we will see. It depends on the pullback areas that the market will need. It depends, to be honest, also a bit on how high do we go here, because yellow wave 3 that you can see on the screen here would need to reach the 1.618 extension. Then that would mean I would want to see yellow wave 3 reach, well, around about 30,360. Yeah, can we get there in this fifth wave? I mean, I'm talking about an extension here anyway to the upside. It would be ideal. Did post that earlier as well, that I think we're going to see here an extension, which we are, well, not necessarily seeing yet. With extension, I mean that this is probably pushing higher, yeah, which means that what we are seeing here, and the structure suggests it kind of at the moment, that this 5-wave move is another wave 1, which could be followed by a wave 2, and then we get a third wave of a third. But it's a bit too early to confirm that. I mean, I just gave you a key target for the third wave in yellow. That's a key target. Then the 30k level is a key resistance area. And then we can use here this subwave structure to identify a key target for the fifth wave in blue. So if we measure now waves 1 through 3, we go through to the low of the fourth wave. Then targets here are 29,980. That's a key target. You can see the 38.2 fib level was already reached. That's normally the very first target for a fifth wave. Done. Second target would be 29,980. Well, we basically talked about the 30k level already, right? And then afterwards, we've got here 30,540. Well, and then that, we've got the, we talked about that 30,300 level already. So these are sort of the key levels on the way up. Trend is clearly up. It broke above the March highs, did exactly what we wanted it to do, which is good. I mean, you never know if these support areas are holding, right? But, let's be honest, they are tradable areas. They are trend reversal areas where the price should turn around. And it did turn around here, 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 and here. That was one of the greatest ones here, the recent one, because you saw a dip into it and a massive rally as a result. So, yeah, hopefully nobody's surprised here on this channel by this third wave rally. I still can't guarantee to you that this is going to, go to 45k now, but we're on the road. We're certainly on the road. And we talked about in previous videos about the fact that the market is prepared. The chart is prepared. We had all these 1-2 setups, which have very bullish implications. All that needs to happen is for the market now to finally do the breakout. And if it does, it's go time. We see that today. I'm pleased that we see it. because I know a lot of people still talk about new bear market lows, and I'm not saying they won't occur. It's just that while we are in an uptrend, I would try to avoid focusing so much on the negative or the downside, because people miss all these upside moves. So and then it's important to define those key areas and price levels below which price will most likely break down, which we're doing as well, but they're all holding. So yeah, it's starting to look really interesting. And let's see if we can break 30K. If this is the correct count, we should do it, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get rejected before we try it. All right, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.